Good afternoon. I'm Bill Hogan, and I'm happy to welcome you here on behalf of the Consortium on Energy Policy Research and the Harvard Project on International Climate Agreements here at Harvard for this lunch discussion with the European Commissioner for Climate Action, Connie Hedegaard. In 1965, LBJ was the first American president to receive a report from his scientific advisors warning him of the dangerous concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and the problems of climate change. A prediction of climate warming was made at the time when the climate was actually cooling. 45 years later, the scientific advisor of the president suggested that we should quit calling it climate change and switch to calling it global climate disruption. In that encapsulation of what's happened with the scientific advisors in trying to characterize this problem is the problem that we have, which is that so little has happened over such a long period of time when we have known about this problem. A lot more than nothing has happened, but if you're concerned about this, you can read in many places the studies that show how much more has to be done. An important part of that process is the UNFCCC process, the meetings at Copenhagen, and Connie Hedegaard has been a prominent actor in that, particularly in Denmark, where as the Minister of Climate and Energy, she was involved in the preparation for and the actions at Copenhagen. Since that time, there's been a great deal of discussion as to whether or not that was a great success or a great failure. I, for one, expected little, and I was quite pleased at what happened in Copenhagen as being real progress that I didn't expect to see happen, particularly in drawing in developing countries. But I'm sure that Commissioner Hedegaard is going to be able to address that further about where we go from here in order to address this grand challenge, the mother of all externalities, the great problem of our generation and the generations to come in dealing with the threats of global climate disruption.
Thank you very much, Professor Hogan, Professor Stavin. Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a great honor to be given the chance to address faculty members and students at this world-class seat of learning. So thank you very much for the invitation to speak here today. I will definitely take care that I'm not doing all the talking, because one of the reasons why I'm here is also to have an exchange of views with you, hopefully also in order to try to